And this we start by making a curry paste in the food processor. And let's see, the first ingredient is lemongrass. And basically, I'm doing a smaller portion of this than we make for the restaurant, of course. But
that's a whole lemongrass.
Yeah, just about. So I put that in there. And then I do, I don't know, like 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. And then a shallot. You don't have to cut things up very much when you put them in the food processor because it kind of does that for you. And this is an ingredient called galangal.
Galangal. Where do we find that?
You find this at a Thai market. Yeah. And
looks like a ginger.
It is similar.
Okay.
And I've kind of taken the skin off of it. I'm putting a piece of that in there. And I've got some cilantro. And these are, is it kaffir lime leaves? And let me see how many of those we're doing. About half a tablespoon of these. And what we're doing, I usually just do like 4 or 5 leaves, and I cut them up.
And that we can also find in a
That's
Thai
correct.
market.
All of these ingredients you can find in a Thai market.